Welcome to the Rider Pro Mahindra Jeep. CJ3B is more than a vehicle, it's an emotion. In 2026, Mahindra brings back this iconic off-roader with a modern touch while preserving its raw, military-inspired soul. This comeback is aimed straight at purists, collectors, and hardcore off-road lovers. Classic design with modern details. The 2026 CJ3B stays true to its boxy stance, flat fenders, round headlights, an upright grille, subtle updates like LED lighting, stronger bumpers, and refreshed paint options. Give it a rugged yet contemporary look without losing its old-school charm. Powertrain and off-road capability. Under the hood, the new CJ3B is expected to feature a reliable diesel engine with improved torque for extreme terrain, paired with a 4x4 drivetrain, low-range gearbox, and high ground clearance. This Jeep is built to conquer mountains, mud, and deserts with ease. Interior: simple, tough, functional. Inside, the 2026 CJ3B remains minimalistic. Expect washable interiors, durable seats, a basic digital cluster, and essential connectivity features. This Jeep is not about luxury, it's about reliability and adventure, safety and build quality. Mahindra is likely to add basic safety features like roll bars, seatbelts, ABS, and reinforced chassis. The focus remains on toughness and longevity rather than excessive electronics. Expected launch and price. The 2026 Mahindra Jeep CJ3B is expected to launch as a niche lifestyle vehicle. Pricing may stay competitive to attract off-road enthusiasts and restoration fans looking for a factory-fresh classic. Final verdict. The 2026 Mahindra Jeep CJ3B is a perfect blend of nostalgia and functionality. If you love raw driving, mechanical simplicity, and unstoppable off-road performance, this legend's return is something to get excited about. Share and subscribe for more classic car comebacks and upcoming 2026 automobile updates.